Alright, so for ESL this week, we're going to do a few different things in class, but this is what I want you to do if you are home during any of our class periods this week. So the first thing is, if you know your login for Imagine Learning, I would like you to take your login information and work on Imagine Learning for one section. So tienen login información, pardon me, para Imagine aprender, trabajen un problema. Okay. The other thing I want you to do on Canvas, under modules, we have this little Xerox file. I want you to complete both articles, and if you're gone Thursday, you might have double dipped and you might have already completed one of the articles. That's fine. I want you to do both of them. And I want you to also, oh, I guess it's not there. I will have to fix that. There will be a most common word PDF here. I want you to work on that as well. I will add that. Now, once you've done those two things, I want you to work on your vocabulary sheet, and that will be due this Friday. Not this Friday, sorry, next Friday, because we don't have a B-Day this week. So that's what I want you guys to do, and if you have more questions, feel free to join the Zoom meeting or reach out to me. I know the Spanish was pretty rough, so if you do have questions, please reach out. Thank you.